Well, that is right, cowboy. We do have the right to bear arms. Hey, namaskar everyone, how are you? Hopefully everybody's been doing fantastic. Listen, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. I hope you're going to stick around. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. I am in Amarillo, Texas, on my way to a roadside attraction, but on the way to a roadside attraction, I found another roadside attraction. So you'll get to see both of them. The one I'm going to see started in 1974, but look at this. This right here on the way to where I'm going to check out. And yes, it's dark out. It is nighttime, morning, whatever you want to call it. This is actually the RV, Cadillac RV park. And there's the Second Amendment cowboy, and he is bearing arms. There's his little 6 guns right there. How cool is that? But you're gonna notice these Cadillacs and in the oil rig behind. How cool is that? Look at this. This is cool. This is awesome. The sign here, the Cadillac RV park. That's wild. Check the lights going on. But let me go down here and we'll walk up this way. Look at this. This might give you a hint of what I'm going to check out. I love that though. That is wild. That's cool. Yeah, this may give you a hint of what I'm about to check out. If you follow roadside attractions, you see these Cadillacs here. Look at that. I would definitely stay here. And there's a mural over there. I might walk over there real quick for you. But yeah, look at this. The guns. Now, it is dark. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, but I am on a road trip, like I said. This is a place I wanted to check out. The place I wanted to check out is open 24 hours a day. It's cold out too. It definitely is cold. But I don't know if I'd be able to see this on the way home. So I was like, I'm gonna check this out now. But yeah, here's the other side with the Cadillacs. And then the mural. And again, I think I may just be giving away when I'm about to check out. That's cool. But if you're ready for this early morning adventure, I suggest you get off the couch and get ready. Let's go. We are right here. Right here. That is fantastic. Gotta go. Oh shoot. Look at all of them. I think they're ready to kick my ass. Harden saliva. You're okay. You're okay for watching my channel.
Jesus God, Mamma Mia, look what we got.
Shh. I said there's people still sleeping. Calm down. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. I told you she was afraid of bridges.
Do not. Stop it now.
That is the starting point of the trail. I guess. I don't know. You can start at the beginning or you can start at the end. I don't think it matters where you start at. But wherever you start, that's your starting point. Oh, shit. That's why I tell you, take a sip. History. Better Malanga. Okay, everybody, I am going to keep this at a point of view because it is pitch dark, as you can see. And we're headed somewhere way out there is where we're going. Not sure entirely how far, but we gotta walk from this road, this pitch dark road over here. Here's a gate that we have to walk through. You can see it's all colorful. People putting stuff, no parking, do not block gate. And it is somewhere back there is where we're headed. Way out there. So I'm just gonna keep this kind of close. We'll see what we can see. I can already see a lid to a can. Oh my God, there's like, this is crazy. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you can see this. It is pitch dark. It's pitch dark. It's like I said, it's like 3 something in the morning. You can see the stars, maybe. You probably can't. Anyway, there's an art installation out here called Cadillac Ranch, built in 1974 by 3 men that were part of what was called the ant farm. Okay, and I don't know if you can see my face. I see some barrels. See some lights way in the back. Oh man. I don't know where these cars are, guys. There's 10 Cadillacs. There's 10 Cadillacs that are buried nose first. Yeah, here's some trash cans right here. Here's some trash cans. Colored. Man, it is dark. It is dark. But it was installed in 1974 by 3 guys called the Cadillac Ranch. Chip Lord, Hudson Marquez, and Doug Michaels. Like I said, they were part of the ant farm. They buried 10 Cadillacs nose first in the ground. Yeah, look at this. We're just, I think we are going the right way, maybe. Okay, I see him. I see him back there already, but they're buried nose first. Forgive me, because it is cold, and we're walking down this dark road, man. But 1949 through 1963 is what the Cadillacs are, the years. Wow, it's dark. It is freaking dark. It is dark. Little fun fact is the angles of all these Cadillacs when we get to it are the angle of the Pyramids of Giza. So a little fun fact there. But yeah, I see the cars. And I don't know what animals are out here. What's that?
I feel like we need to be quick.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, here we go right here. It's coming up. I know it's dark. Again. They do have trash cans out here. Okay. We're gonna do this we are gonna do this quick, guys, but I want to show you. This is what we're looking at right here. All these Cadillacs are buried nose first. There's 10 of them. And everybody comes out here to spray paint. To spray paint these cars. And there's 10 of them. Look at this. And it smells so much like spray paint here. So much like spray paint. Look at this, guys. Everybody comes back here. to spray paint these cars. Woo! Yeah, look at this. Yeah, this is Cadillac Ranch. This is called Cadillac Ranch because of all these Cadillacs here. So yeah, very short video. It's hard to see, like I said, pitch dark, 3 o'clock in the morning, a little bit past 3 now.
Yeah, you should shut your flashlight off because it's dark.
I will show you how dark this is. Let me show you, as a matter of fact, how dark it is outside. Are you ready? Yeah, bam, okay. Very cool, very cool. I'll do my outro in the car because it's time to go back. It is like super cold. Cool though. It's neat. It's weird. It's weird out here. Okay. Okay, so I don't know how much of a quality video this is because it's so dark out there. It's so cold, so I don't even know if I was shaking. It's 3:11 actually in the morning right now. I would love to do this during the daytime, but I'm probably not coming through here on my way back. So I was like, I want to go check it out now. It's Cadillac Ranch here in Amarillo, Texas. That RV park is cool. It's actually half a mile from that probably. And you park where I showed you, where you walk through the gate and you go back there, a couple minute walk and you're back there. It wasn't bad. Didn't really know I was gonna stop here, but I would have brought some spray paint because you can go back there and spray paint your stuff, you know, whatever you want on there. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a neat art installation. I'd like to see it in the light, but it is what it is. I showed you the 10 cars out there as best as I could. So this was a nighttime adventure. So that put a little extra wrench in the situation. But kind of hope you like taking that little walk and like actually seeing it and like, you know, kind of, oh my God, it's dark. What's out there? We don't know. But listen, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the channel, leave a comment. I do read every single one. Appreciate everybody that supports and likes the videos and channel. And until I see you on the next adventure, wherever that may be, better Malanga.